So we took a day trip to Yokohama, Japan. Yokohama is like the biggest city in the Kanagawa prefecture. We got a little lost. You can see that crazy U-turn that it made us do. Yeah, and then here's the toll system. So if you don't have the ATC card, which is like their easy pass, you have to take a ticket, and then at the next toll booth you put the ticket in and it tells you how much you have to pay. But it is, I don't know, we got the ETC card through Japan Net. I'll have a link in the description below, and I like having the ETC card. The tolls are pretty annoying. Tolls are expensive in Japan. Yeah, so this is Yokohama. We went to the Cup Noodle Museum. You saw before there was also a amusement park. Lots to do in Yokohama. Cup Noodle Museum, honestly, I don't know if I'd recommend it. It's cool, I guess. It's pretty cheap. So yeah, for 500 yen to get in, and you know, kids are free, not bad. You can make your own cup noodle. Yeah, so I guess it looks pretty cool. I guess I was a little disappointed. I don't know what I was expecting, but I mean, I don't know, it's cool. Yeah, so you can see there's stations to draw whatever you want to do to make your cup noodle, and then you can actually make your own. They put the noodles in. It's a little interactive for the kids. You can put your own soup base. I think you can pick between like seafood, beef, chicken, whatever else, and then you can pick 3 toppings to put in there. So it is kind of cool. And then you kind of heat shrink and you put a label on, and you see the whole process of the thing. So I don't know, and you have to pay 500 yen extra per cup noodle cup that you want to make. So I don't know, kids enjoyed it, and I don't know, they have some cool like vacuum sealing stuff too outside of the heat shrink. I don't know if I took a video of that, but that was kind of cool. Yeah, after the Cup Noodle Museum, we went to the Yokohama station where I wanted to pick up my Japanese SIM card. There's only a couple places you could pick them up. They could ship, but I wanted to pick it up to get it quickly. Yeah, I decided to go with mobile SIM because they were pretty cheap, only 1480 yen a month, which is like $10 a month. And I wanted a Japanese cell phone number because so many things just require Japanese cell phone numbers. So even though my American phone number, my T-Mobile number works here, I wanted that Japanese SIM card just for the phone number, really. We went to Chinatown, so this is some views of Chinatown. Chinatown was really fun. Oh, here's some palm readers. Get your palm read. Your fortune told for 500 yen. Choose one of these people. I guess that's their credentials up there. I don't know. I can't read Japanese, so I don't know what's going on. Yeah, there was a ceremony or a ceremony sword dance we saw. Yeah, and just a lot of different food vendors and street food that we got to sample. And maybe you saw those caramelized. There's chicken that we got, big chicken, caramelized strawberries that you could sample. Yeah, just kind of cool to walk around and see the different things. Definitely a little different than Chinatown in America, which we also very much enjoy. Lots of dumplings here, which I guess Chinatown just has in general. Oh, there's that caramelized strawberry I was talking about. Very hard. I didn't enjoy it. Kids liked it though. Kind of like candy. Hard to say what was different. I think a lot more street food, which I like. And yeah, I don't know. It was good. I liked it. It was a fun time. I'd definitely recommend it. Right outside Chinatown was this nice Pier park. I think it was called Yamashita Park. Yeah, someone was walking their pig. That was very interesting. But yeah, somebody loved the rose gardens at that Pier park. It was just beautiful to walk around right next to the ocean. And then you could walk to the Gundam Factory, which we ended up doing. We didn't go in because, again, I'm a cheapskate. But yeah, you could see the Gundam doing a dance from the outside, which was kind of cool. I kind of think it would have been nice to walk in there. Yeah, I think they give you a free Gundam if you walk in. A kid ended up just giving one to us. Here is a hedgehog cafe. Here is a fish massage station. Yeah, Japan has all these kind of pet cafes, cat cafes. So you can like sit down, enjoy coffee, and pet a cat, or pet a hedgehog, pet a lizard, a snake, whatever you want to do. They have something for everything. Oh, this is cool. So this is a way of doing parking. This is right outside Chinatown where we parked. But yeah, it's like I don't know what to call it. It's like a car elevator where they have, I don't know, hundreds of cars stacked in this building. And I don't know, I've never seen anything like it in America, but there's a lot of these kind of things in Japan, I guess just because it's small, tight quarters. Yeah, so you park your car in there and then you order it when you pay and it comes out. Here's a free Gundam kit that a kid outside the Gundam Factory just gave to our kids. So that's the first Gundam they ever built. Hope you enjoyed the video. We got some other great stuff coming up. Enoshima Island, Mount Fuji. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Godspeed.